Let me start this out by saying this is not a tutorial. I really just want to do this wig install on this Amazon company that I found. And you know what's messed up? I don't even have the wig in here with me. Let me go get that.
Like Chris, I got too much shit to prove. Chip on my shoulder is crisp. Bad bitch and know how to move. Chopper is sent with a list. I swear this shit, yeah, come with a risk. Now that I got it, I'm popping my shit, yeah.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Autumn, and today we will be installing a wig. So I'm back and I'm better, period. This wig is from an Amazon seller that I found. The company will be linked below. Like I said, it's not a wig tutorial, but you feel me? We just gonna install this thing here. Thumbnail. First impression is something. I have a big head, so I cannot deal with a little bit of lace like this. Not even a little bit of lace, but a little bit of hairline. Like, my head's so big that I cut all of my wigs. Like, I have to separate them from the cap. We gonna see if she's big head friendly. I gotta bleach the knots and stuff like that. This is the hairline I need to pluck and all of that type of stuff. And y'all, let me just tell you, this video was supposed to start at literally this morning, but I've been in such bad pain for my teeth. So I went to the doctor today, urgent care or whatever, and it was like, I don't have no abscess, and I was gonna have to see a dentist. I think I'm gonna do the brushed out look that I've been seeing all the girls do. The hair is very soft, very bouncy. It doesn't smell horrible, and you know me, hard-headed. I'm not gonna wash this wig before I install it, so let me go. I'm gonna bleach these knots and take this wig off. I might come back without a wig on my head, but peace. Anyway,
You trying to record every goddamn thing.
yeah. Ooh. In the view. We want to keep our edges as much as we can, so. I found these. Oh, and they stretchy. These knee-high stocking type things, and it come with 5 to 6 in a pack. It depends on what pack you choose. A little bit might go a long way, so cut. Your girl got a big head. Yeah, I cut that totally wrong. Put that thing on. Yeah. I found these in Walmart. I don't know if I said that, but period. As close to my ear as I can. Damn. I ain't no professional, but I gets it done. And hopefully that stay, because this a little loose. A little cut right down. Like I'm ripping this shit apart, trying to. We don't want no hair peeking. And take our thumbnail moment. Bitch. Okay. This hair is so nice and soft. to be an Amazon wig. For real. The knots bleach very easily. So now I gotta pluck it. We not gonna be going outside with no underplucked ass wig. This nuts how we do things around here. So far, the knots are fairly easy to pluck. This is what I've done so far, and this is only one section. Pluck and be like, my bad. Today we are here to give Scalpiana. Bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit.
And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to...
This is my best friend. Hey, for the girls that be like, I don't want a wig, it'll come up the next day. You don't know how to take care of your shit. We're gonna dot that thing up so we can get a nice even layer. Wipe that off. Now we're gonna lightly for the first layer. Thinly spread that thing. That way it can just dry quick. I plucked. Oh, yo. Take my lace. I'm an even connoisseur. Like, their products just get the job done for me. Everybody else want to use them other folks, but I'm gonna stick to what I know.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. No Uber right at my house, call a taxi.
Uh-oh. It's giving elasticity. Hopefully it will do what I need it to do. So let's knock this last layer out the way. Here. Boom, boom. In my last video, I was so embarrassed, but you know, a girl gotta do what she gotta do. But my joint was cakey, and I did not like that. And I think it's because I use a different type of product. Like I said, I'll be trying to use the new products that the TikTok girlies come out with. But I'm gonna have to start seeing some type of real results, like see the product dry. Cause I went out and I bought 2 bottles. And then I had to realize, like, when they be like, oh, get this for your lace, get this for your lace. And then when you get the product and you look at how to use the actual product, you be like, why would you put a wet adhesive on top of your lace? Like, with a wet one, it's very easy. It can slide, it gets sticky. Like, a whole bunch of stuff that we don't need, so. But this hair is good. Like, this hair is really nice. And like I said, it will be in my Amazon storefront, so y'all don't have to worry about the link. The link will be in my caption. Not caption, what they call that on YouTube? Description box. Anyway. Now y'all, when I say this product is a lifesaver, ain't no wax stick compared to this one. I'm also gonna put this into my Amazon storefront because it's very hard to find in the hair store, so I would recommend to get it online, because I used to use this. she was good for my first few installs, but now it's like I'm trying to level up. I'm trying to give that I got my hair done, not did my hair. You feel me?
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stopped.
And I did end up washing it because I forgot I had to bleach the knots and I can't just install black hair. I did that one day, and I promise to you, like, I don't know what be up with niggas, but they be quick to point out a little screen door. Your neck showing. This, that, and the third. And I learned my lesson. I've never, ever stepped outside the house without bleached knots again. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, people. Got a little too excited. That's fire. I'm using this method from now on, for sure. Are you fucking kidding me? At least I didn't cut the tab off beforehand, but we not doing it. We not doing that. This, and literally dot in front of my hairline where it need to go. Got that thing. And I never took people serious when they was like, oh, if your lace is bad, your install gonna be bad, until I really started to do wigs and grew with them, and I really see the difference. Like this may be the best Amazon wig that I've ever bought, like, period. Now, literally just tap, pat, pat. People say don't do that, but you do what you want when you pop it, man. So, stretch that thing out. Okay, now, so at this point, clearly I'm doing my edges, and I'm a little mad because this side is fucked up, but whatever. This is exactly why I said this ain't no tutorial, because I ain't even got the right products.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
So next thing I'm gonna do, because I already added lace tint, I really don't want to add no more makeup or any more product to it because I feel like it looks good with my skin. So I'm about to take my Even spray, spray it on my fingers and pat, 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 pat. Let that product dry. And then put on your handy dandy I forgot to leave to record when I left, but this is her. I never really fixed my edges, so they're a little lopsided, but I'm loving it.